Scano, Sago, greetings to the Six Nations community and happy Friday, May 1st. This is Lori Davis Hill joining you across the airwaves today. I'm the Director of Health Services, and this is today's Six Nations COVID-19 response update. As always, I hope this message finds you listening safely in your homes, and also wishing everyone good health during this difficult times. Today is a special day for us all. Today is First Responders Day. I want to acknowledge and extend my appreciation to all the brave men and women on the front lines of this pandemic, keeping us safe. First responders are there for us when we need them the most. They come to our aid as paramedics, firefighters, police, checkpoint guards, nurses, doctors, and many other medical professionals. They dedicate their lives to saving ours. They provide us with a sense of security and a safe place to call home. They come to our aid first when we need them the most. Today is a special day for us all. So to all first responders serving the Six Nations community and beyond, Nyawagoa. It is hard to show our recognition at a time when physical distancing is mandatory, but staying home helps the first responders because we're doing our part to reduce the spread of COVID-19. Continue to hang tough on all fronts. This pandemic will not last forever. And although the province is in talks of reopening, we must remain on guard, continuing to wash our hands frequently, calling into the assessment center when you are not feeling well, and please continue to physical distance yourselves from those who do not live in your household as much as possible. Another quick reminder to the community that today launches Edwadikoni. We will make food for ourselves. The Six Nations Health Services food program, in partnership with the Good Food Box, provides a free bag of fresh produce that will be delivered to your home on the third Wednesday of each month. Orders can be placed from the 1st to the 5th of each month for the months of May, June, and July 2020 from Monday to Friday between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. Please note there is a limited supply available for this program. To register for the Edwadikoni bag, it's 226-388-1026. That's 226-388-1026. Please do not leave a voicemail to order, and also note that calls will not be answered on the weekends. So call now. Be sure to check out Six Nations social media pages for this program and for more COVID information, health and wellness strategies with Healthy Six Six Nations Matters, and Six Nations COVID-19 updates on Facebook. Now let's talk about the recent numbers. As of this morning, we have had 11 positive cases reported here at Six Nations. 8 of those cases have resolved with 1 death. We currently have 2 active cases. To date, we have completed 410 tests and have received 338 negative results. We currently have 208 people in self-isolation as directed by Oswego Public Health. We want to acknowledge those who have identified symptoms and called into the center. The more testing we do, the better we understand the impact of the virus on our community. Here are the stats in surrounding communities. New Credit has 1 positive case. Haldimand Norfolk Public Health Unit reports 194 positive cases, 48 cases resolved, and 30 deaths. Brant Public Health Unit reports 95 positive cases, 68 resolved cases, with 3 deaths. The Hamilton Public Health Unit reports 431 cases, 253 are resolved, and 20 deaths. And Toronto Public Health reports 551 positive cases, 5,551 positive cases, 3,392 resolved cases, and 366 deaths. We are asking everyone to remain on guard to keep this virus out of our community and out of our homes by monitoring ourselves and our loved ones for these following symptoms: new or worse cough, fever, sore throat, runny nose, shortness of breath, nasal congestion, difficulty swallowing, or a hoarse voice. We also need to remember that it can take anywhere from 1 to 14 days after being exposed before any person starts showing symptoms. If you are experiencing one of these symptoms or any other new or unusual symptom, it is important that you call the Six Nations COVID-19 Assessment Center at 226-446-9909 or toll free at 1-855-977-7737. You can call at any time, and a nurse will carry out an assessment with you over the phone. The assessment center is open 7 days a week, even on weekends. If you are unable to drive to the test site, we can certainly make other arrangements. You can see a video on Six Nations COVID-19 updates on Facebook to see what the testing process looks like. Again, the number for the assessment center toll free is 1-855 977 7737. Again, that's 1-855 977 7737 or 226 446 9909. That's locally 226 446 9909. This COVID-19 hotline is open 7 days a week, including weekends. Before closing off today, I want to remind everyone that during this COVID-19 pandemic, it is highly recommended to wear a fabric mask anytime you cannot maintain the 6-foot distancing, especially when you're out in public. Your mask protects others, and their mask protects you. Just another tip to help reduce the spread of this virus. Thank you for welcoming me into your homes today. Please be sure to tune in daily as I join you to share more updates. Please check in on your family, your friends, and our elders of this community. Stay home to protect the health and lives of everybody we love. We say to our Six Nations first responders, Happy First Responders Day, and we acknowledge all of the healthcare and emergency service professionals, the workers at the checkpoints, our leadership, and anyone else who has to leave your home to take care of things for the day. Keep going, do your best, Sajago. Please stay home for all of us. Stay well and stay safe. Nyawa.